Hello dear students, welcome in my YouTube channel. Let's do this question. The question is taken from class 10 chapter 4 quadratic equations exercise 4.3. 10th question is an express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore to Bangalore. So in this question there are two trains, express train and passenger train. Both are traveling 132 km. So express train is taking 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel this much 132 km distance. So next is, if average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of passenger train, find the average speed of both the trains. So in this question, average speed of express train is 11 km per hour more than the passenger train. That's why it is reaching at the station 1 hour before. Okay, so both are traveling 132 kilometers and express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train. And the comparison between their speeds are, express train's speed is 11 km per hour more than the passenger train speed. So here passenger train speed is less than the speed of the express train. So we'll assume the speed of passenger train as x. So let's start the question. So first of all, we'll assume that let speed of passenger train be x kilometer per hour. If its speed is x, then express train is 11 km more than it. So speed of express train will be 11 km more than this. So it will be x plus 11 km per hour. So now the distance traveled by both the trains is how much? It is 132 km. Now we will find out the time of both the trains. So we'll write here time taken by express train, So speak this time as t1. Suppose this time is t1. So that is distance over speed. So time formula is distance over speed. So distance is 132. And speed of express train is x plus 11 km per hour. So it is time, so it will be in hours, right? Now similarly we will find the time taken by passenger train also now. So see here, what is time taken by passenger train? So it will be, suppose this is t2. So it is distance traveled, that is 132 in both the cases, and its speed is x km per hour. So this is the time taken by passenger train, this is the time taken by express train. But in question it is said that express train takes 1 hour less. Why? Because its speed is more. So express train time is 1 hour less. Passenger train time is 1 hour more. Why? Because passenger train speed is very less. So its time is more. So T2 is bigger than T1 by 1 hour. So we can say according to question. According to question what? According to question, time of passenger T2 minus time of express, that is 1 hour. Because passenger train takes 1 hour more than the express train. So T2 minus T1 is 1 hour. So what is T2 here? So T2 is here 132 over x minus 132 over T1 is 132 over x plus 11 is equal to 1. Now what we do, we will take 132 common from here. So see what will be left. 132 is common. Here it is left 1 by x. Minus here it is left 1 by x plus 11 is equal to 1. Now 132 will go here down in the denominator by cross multiply, and here inside the bracket we will take the LCM, and LCM will be their product only. Okay, so here it is 1 by 132. Now x plus 11 is multiplied by this one, so it will be x plus 11 minus x into 1 is x. So x and minus x cancelled. What is left? 11, and downside it is x into x is x square plus x into 11 is 11x is equal to 1 over 132. Now we will cross multiply. X square plus 11x is multiplied by 1, it becomes x square plus 11x, and 132 into 11, so 11 2s are 22, 2 11 3s are 33, plus 2 35, so 3 1452. Now bring this 1452 to left hand side. Now we will do splitting of the middle term. So we will split 11x in such a way that the two factors that will come, their sum or difference should be 11x, but their product should be equal to their product, means minus 1452x square. So this thing can be done by taking prime factorization of 1452. Okay, so let's see its prime factors. With 2 it is going 7 and 26. With 2 again it is going, it becomes 3 to the 6. Okay, with 3 1 2 1, then it is with 11 11s are 121. So it is. Now we'll group these factors in two groups such that their difference or sum should be 11. So let's see what are these. See here, it is there. 11 3s are 33 and 11 2s are 22, 2s are 44. 44 and 33, their difference is 11. Okay, fine. So splitting is x square plus 44x minus 33x and then minus 1452 is equal to 0. This way. Now from these two, x is taken common. What is left inside? X plus 44. From these two, the common is minus 33. Inside what is left? Here x minus minus plus. Here it is 33. 44s are this is equal to 0. Now from these two factors, x plus 44 is common. So what is left? Here left it is x and here it is left minus 33. Now see, product of these two polynomial is 0, so it means any one from them is 0. So either this may be 0 or this may be 0. So we'll write either x plus 44 is 0 or from here x minus 33 is 0, right? So if x plus 44 is 0, then x is minus 44, and if x minus 33 is 0, then x is 33. So x is minus 44. This is the speed of the passenger train, which cannot be negative. We know speed cannot be negative. So we will reject this by saying this reason that speed cannot be negative, so rejected. So students, you should write reason also. So x is 33. X 33 means speed of passenger train is 33 km per hour. Okay. So similarly, we can find the speed of express train, which is 11 km per hour more than this passenger train. So it will be 33 plus 11, that is 44 km per hour. So we'll write hence speed of which train now it is? Express train is 33 plus 11, that is 44 km per hour. Okay, so this way we will solve this question. So students, I want to tell you that if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, then please subscribe it so that you can get notifications of my new videos. And if you want to take any help in mathematics, then please write in comment. I will be surely helping you. So thank you so much, and you can have a look of this full complete questions in one instance.